Hi everyone, welcome to Trendingtechpk YouTube channel. Today we unbox handmade leather MacBook Sleeve and iPhone 16 Pro Max leather cases from Royal London. So let's get started.
I ordered just two cases from Royal London. One is MacBook Sleeve and the iPhone 16 Pro Max leather case. They sent me a card with thanks. So let's unbox MacBook Sleeve first. Visiting card. They sended me with the MacBook Sleeve. This is in orange color. They have also available 6 more different colors.
Black, avocado green, navy blue, turquoise blue, of course orange, and gray. It's a very smooth and beautiful looking case. Microfiber inside the case. Also this case is fully handmade. Now let's unbox iPhone 16 Pro Max leather case. I love how they pack the cases. I mean, the packing material is very great and beautiful, unique. I never see that kind of packing from any company. Also, this case comes with 3 different colors: saddle brown, black, dark brown. The case looks great and the leather quality is top notch. I like saddle brown, so I choose this color. So let's try on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Perfectly fit. Raised edge from the corner. Protect screen. Camera cutout is working perfect. Buttons are very clicky and soft. Also, action button is working very smoothly. The case is fully Magsafe supported. Magsafe grip is very strong. The overall look is beautiful. I like that color and the quality of case. Also, Royal London gives a free embossing. If you want to engrave your name on the case, you will get it free. If you want to buy leather case or MacBook Sleeve from Royal London, get 10% discount from our shared link. The link is in video description. So guys, that's it for today. If you enjoy the video, make sure like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.